You put on your cutest outfit, slay your hair, your makeup's on point, but your lips, dry, cracked, peeling like a croissant. Let's fix that, because you deserve lips that look as good as you feel. Hey, welcome back to Becoming Herself, your safe space to glow up inside and out. Today we're diving into something small but mighty, your lips. They don't have oil glands. They get dry faster. And guess what? They deserve care too. So if you've been ignoring your lips, it's okay. We're fixing it together. Your lips go through a lot more than you think. Sunday, wind, cold air, stress, makeup, even talking too much. All of that takes a toll. And unlike the rest of your skin, your lips don't have oil glands to keep them naturally moisturized. That's why they dry out faster. That's why they crack when the weather changes. That's why a lip balm can sometimes feel like a lifesaver. But here's the thing. Lip care isn't just about looking cute or having a glossy pout. It's about keeping the thinnest, most delicate part of your skin healthy. Dry, chapped lips can actually bleed, get infected, or even hurt when you eat spicy food or smile too wide. And trust me, no lipstick in the world looks good on crusty lips. The good news? You don't need 10 products or a 20-step routine. Just a few simple habits done consistently can transform your lips. And today I'm showing you exactly how. Okay, now that we understand why lip care is important, let's get into the good stuff. I'm talking about my exact lip care routine, step by step, that helps me keep my lips soft, smooth, and plump no matter the season. You don't need to be fancy or spend a lot of money. Just be consistent. Let's start with exfoliating. Think about it. When your lips feel rough or flaky, it's usually because there's a layer of dead skin just sitting there. And no matter how much balm or lipstick you use, it won't sit right. That's where exfoliation comes in. I usually mix a teaspoon of sugar with a bit of honey or olive oil. Super basic, but it works like a charm. Just use your fingertip or a soft toothbrush and gently massage it onto your lips in small circles. Don't scrub hard though. Your lips are delicate. You want to remove dead skin, not destroy your lips. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Over exfoliating will just make them more sensitive. Once you've exfoliated, you need to moisturize. I cannot stress this enough. Lip balm is your best friend. I always look for balms that contain shea butter, beeswax, vitamin E, or natural oils like jojoba and coconut. Stay away from anything with alcohol, strong fragrance, or menthol. Those give a cooling effect, but they're drying in the long run. I keep a balm in my bag, one in my room, and one in my jacket. I basically leave a trail of lip balms wherever I go. Apply it in the morning, after meals, and especially before bed. Okay, this one gets forgotten all the time, but it's super important. Your lips need sunscreen too. They can burn, they can peel. I always use a lip balm with SPF, usually 15 or 30, especially when I'm going outside, even on cloudy days. And remember to reapply every few hours. A little protection now saves you a lot of pain and wrinkles later. No product can fix dry lips if you're not drinking water. Dehydration shows on your skin, but it shows on your lips first. I aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. And if that sounds boring, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Hydrated lips are fuller, softer, and naturally glowy. Last but not least, nighttime care. Just like your skin, your lips heal while you sleep. Every night before bed, I wipe off any lip product with a gentle remover or micellar water. Then apply a thicker balm or overnight mask. You can use coconut oil, Vaseline, or any lip mask that's hydrating and fragrance-free. I call it pajamas for my lips. And when I wake up, they're soft, plump, and ready for the day. That's it. 5 simple steps. No drama, no stress. Just consistent, gentle love. And your lips will thank you every single day. Okay, now that you know what to do, let's talk about what not to do. Because trust me, even one of these habits can undo all your hard work. 1. Licking your lips. Licking your lips feels like instant relief, right? Wrong. It actually dries them out more because the saliva evaporates and takes even more moisture with it. 2. Biting or picking. We've all been there. You're bored, anxious, or overthinking, and suddenly you're chewing your lip like it's gum. Stop. It damages the skin, causes bleeding, and delays healing. 3. Using harsh products. If it burns or tingles, that's not a good sign. Menthol, camphor, artificial fragrance. These ingredients can irritate your lips, not hydrate them. 4. Sharing lip products. I know it's tempting to share lip balm or lipstick, but it's also the fastest way to spread bacteria or cold sores. Keep it personal, like your toothbrush. 5. Smoking. It's not just your lungs. Smoking dries out your lips, causes discoloration, wrinkles, and even raises your risk of lip cancer. Your lips deserve better, so yeah. Don't sabotage your own glow up. Love your lips. Don't lick them, don't pick them, and definitely don't share them. Alright, let's talk lipstick. Now that your lips are exfoliated, moisturized, and glowing, it's time to give them some color. And listen, I know lipstick can feel intimidating. So many shades, so many finishes. But honestly, it's not about rules. It's about finding what makes you feel confident. Tip 1. Match your undertone, not your mood. One of the easiest ways to pick a flattering lipstick is to match it to your undertone. If you have cool undertones, you probably burn easily in the sun and your veins look bluish. Go for shades like berry rose or blue-based reds. If you're warm, think golden skin tones, greenish veins, coral peach, and brick reds are your go-tos. And if you're neutral, you're lucky. You can pull off just about anything. Tip 2. Moisturize before matte. Matte lipsticks are gorgeous, but they will expose every flake if your lips are dry. Always moisturize your lips first. Let the balm sit for a minute. Blot with a tissue, and then apply your matte lipstick. That one extra step makes a huge difference. Tip 3. Gloss for the illusion of fullness. After applying your lipstick, add a touch of clear or slightly tinted gloss, only to the center of your lips. It catches the light and gives the illusion of a fuller pout. Simple but effective. Tip 4. Full lip or gradient lip. Your call. Some days I go for a soft, blurred gradient lip. Perfect for school, casual hangouts, or just that effortless, I woke up cute vibe. Other days, I want the full bold lip. The I'm here, I'm confident, let's go energy. There's no right or wrong, just moods and moments. Tip 5. Confidence is the best shade. Here's my favorite tip Forget the rules. If a shade makes you feel powerful, fun, or flirty, that's your color. You don't need a reason. You don't need approval. Lipstick is about expression, not perfection. So swipe that color on. Own your lips. Own your moment. And remember, lipstick doesn't change who you are. It just shows the world you already know. I know it sounds silly, but lip care taught me a lot about self-love. It's this tiny act, just a few seconds a day, but it reminds me that I matter, that I deserve softness, even when the world feels harsh. Some days I show up with bold red lips. Other days, I barely manage a clear balm. But every day, I try. And honestly, that's enough. So wherever you are in your journey, just know you deserve to feel good in your own skin, even if all you do today is take care of your lips. Your lips don't have to be perfect. They just need a little love from you, not from filters, not from trends. So if this video helped even a little, leave a lipstick emoji in the comments or share it with someone who needs a reminder to love their pout too. You've got this. And your lips, they're gonna be just fine.